Hello everyone, everything I'm about to tell you has been validated by the mechanics at the shop where I am, so relax, we're almost there. When your hybrid Jeep shows the message Service Hybrid Electric Vehicle System, the first thing you think is, that's it? Something serious just happened. But calm down. In most cases, the Jeep isn't telling you the hybrid system is dead, it's saying it detected something unusual and decided to warn you before the problem gets worse. It's basically a check me out alert, not always a death sentence. Now, the mechanics at this shop tell me this message can appear and disappear for no obvious reason. Some people see it one day, turn the Jeep off, start it again, and boom, the warning is gone. This usually happens because the hybrid system is very sensitive to electrical or communication glitches, and sometimes it misreads a signal. Following that idea, one of the most common culprits, as crazy as it sounds, is the 12-volt battery. Yes, not the big hybrid battery, but the regular one. When that battery starts to fail or its voltage drops, the Jeep gets confused and throws hybrid-related warnings as a defensive move. Many people say they replaced the 12-volt battery and the message never came back, like nothing ever happened. But if the battery checks out, the next suspect is usually the vehicle's software. In many cases, after an update, a recall, or a reprogramming, the message starts showing up with no clear explanation. Dealerships often perform a system reflash, which is basically updating or correcting the Jeep's brain. For some, it works perfectly. For others, only for a while, but it's still one of the most common steps. Now we get into a more technical but important point: electrical interference in the high-voltage system. Jeep has acknowledged that certain electrical noise can confuse the hybrid module and make it think something serious happened when it really didn't. That's why, in some cases, technicians inspect wiring harnesses, connections, and even install noise suppressors, so the system stops imagining things. There are also situations where the message appears because a specific module or sensor is sending incorrect data. In those cases, the Jeep may limit hybrid functions, shut off electric mode, or constantly ask for service. At that point, there's no simple home fix. You need a deep scan with professional equipment to see exactly which module is complaining.